Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, weather chased me inside tonight, so we're trying out a new backdrop just because we can. I guess that's the way it is. We're rushing in on the year end, and just wanted to tell you, hey, we still have a lot of things on the slate for the month of December. A lot of regular things we're doing. Justin up in the Panhandle, Courtney up in the Panhandle, John up in Tallahassee. We're adding a new area governor to the Forgotten Coast, that Panama City area. For members in that area, Chris Schroeder is going to be joining us as an area governor there. We drop down to the villages and we'll say hello to Mary Beth Culver. She's taking over the Villages, Ocala, Gainesville area. Really excited about that. We come down to North Tampa side, Wesley Chapel. Of course, Kevin Tipton and his driving group and etc. All those things over there. Down in the South Tampa, the St. Pete Clearwater area, Tony Getman is handling that area for us, so we appreciate all the effort there. We have an OCC coming up, so last one of this calendar year, so jump out to the OCC, get on board with that. Kevin's Drive's coming up at the end of the month, I know, up in the north side. And then we get down to the Sarasota area. You have Rob Hollister, who's taking care of that Sarasota area. He's aided by our senior board member Russ Garvey and Fran Dance in that area. We have a new area governor down in the Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda area, and that's going to be John Schneider is going to head that up, and then also going to assist him is Jim Justice, so helping plan some events in that area. Down in the Fort Myers area, of course, Mario and Carol Villar head that up, and we've got one more seat to seat, and that's in the Naples area. We think we have a ready governor for that area, so we're looking forward to finishing that up. Just let me remind you, voting is open. Confirmation voting is open on Motorsport Reg. Go on the site below, and you'll see the link. It's pretty easy. If you don't have a Motorsport account, it's easy to set up. You know all the information, your name, your member number, and those kind of things. Motorsport Reg gets an upload of all the member numbers, so once you're in, it's really easy to do things, register for events and those types of things. We use MS Motorsport Reg for track days or something like that, so anything where we have to pay some money in, like for dinners or whatever, something like that, where we're really we've got a cost that we have to pass through. Motorsport Reg is a great platform. We use that quite a bit, so if you don't have an account, take 2 minutes and set it up. But we also vote on there. It costs you nothing to vote. You go in, Florida Suncoast, it's the elections. You go in and you vote. And once your vote's done, it's sealed. We don't see it. We won't see it until the voting has ended, and then we get the results. No one in the chapter sees it until the voting is over with. So we encourage you to just be a part of that, but get your voice heard. Today, as this video comes out, this is Friday the 16th. So let me just tell you, I think there are 18 tickets left for the dinner on January 21st. You need to buy them today. I think the price goes up on the, let's see, 16th, 17th, 18th. I believe they go up on Sunday. So you have Friday and Saturday to buy tickets to the dinner. And then, hey, and then you're in. It's going to be an amazing outing. We're at the Florida Aquarium there in Tampa. Dinner, a private tour through the aquarium while we're being served hors d'oeuvres. It's going to be pretty cool, pretty rich, if you will. So looking forward to that event. And then some other cool things happening. We have our officer board and area governor meeting on January 21st in Tampa as we plan out the 23 calendar. And then we'll share some of those pieces of information with us at the dinner on the 21st, the evening of the 21st. A lot of things happening, a lot of things cooking. You're seeing the website take on a whole change of ownership and area governors and those things. So, and don't let me forget Jacksonville. I'm sorry, Al McKay, I didn't get you in that list, but Al McKay up in the Jacksonville area does a great job as well. So some events going on. I know they just had a dinner last night. Well, that had been Wednesday night, just night before last. So a lot of things going on. I have a lot of people to keep up with as we go through this. We are starting a motorsports steering committee, and that's going to be pretty exciting for the things that we're bringing to you. Drives, rallies, just you name it, motorsports. we will have a lot of things to do and a lot of things to participate in. So we're getting close to the holidays as always. Travel safely, be safe. It's about family time. That's what it's about. But it's really about one thing for this time of year for those folks that follow that pathway. So it's about that one thing. Keep that in your heart. Keep that in your mind. We appreciate every member as you come out. If you are a member that if you've never come out before and you're just seeing this video for the first time, come out. This is get off the sofa. You're wasting time. Come out and enjoy the membership that you're paying for, and you'll be surprised how much fun you can have. And we'd love to see you. Love to shake your hand, meet you, and get to know you, and come and play, as they say. So until then, I'm going to stop for a moment and say, I know we get one more video in for this year next week. But for now, from me and my family, to all of our chapter members, to all of our volunteers, I say Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Feliz Navidad, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa. If I missed a happy, just put it in there yourself, fill in the blank. I appreciate the relationships that I've been able to grow and build over these years. That means so much to me and my family. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate this. And as we say, happy motoring. Ho, ho, ho. See you soon. Thanks. Bye.